A supermarket in Duncan's Trelawny was ordered closed by the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce on Monday after it was found to be in breach of the Food Storage Act and regulation. TVJ News understands that the owners were using a chemical known as karate Xeon that is not recommended for use in food storage business establishments. Kimberly Petty reports.
Detained, do not remove, reload, sell or ship from this premises. That's the strict order stamped on this supermarket in Duncan's Trelawny. Kirkpatrick Windross is a senior food storage inspector for the Western region for the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Storage Division.
I went to the particular location to do an inspection. The inspection seemed reasonable. However, when I observed the pest control report, I realized no pest control was done for quite some time. So I recommended to the client that they have a treatment done.
Mr. Windross says the owner complied and got the pest control treatment done. He confirmed receiving a copy of the report.
When I got the report, I realized there was a particular chemical that was used that is not recommended for use in food storage areas. So it bring an alert, and it's really a breach of the Food Storage Act and regulation.
Karate Xeon is an insecticide used in the control of biting, chewing, and sucking insect pests. The chemical is recommended for use in vegetable crop production, but for the use in a supermarket,
the chemical possibly can contaminate the food items. We went there to detain the premises on Monday, and we took some samples. So the establishment currently is closed, and we will be sending the samples to have them tested and to do further investigation.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
And we take off.